Welcome to Advancing the Financing. That's Linda Ray and I'm Trevor and we're Aurora Consulting. Today we're going to tell you, how is the PPP forgiven?
This is huge.
It really is, because if your business used the PPP loan for the designated expenses, you're good.
But are we good?
You must document how you used the funds.
All right, let's talk about some numbers.
I love numbers because #math is fun.
60%, which is not 100%, so that's good, should be used for payroll. So what about the other 40%? 40% should be used for rent or eligible mortgage interest and utilities.
Your eligibility period begins from the date the funds of the PPP loan were dispersed into your bank account and continues for 24 weeks. Originally it was 8 weeks, and you can still use the 8 weeks if you like for forgiveness.
Here's where 100% could come into play for you for a positive result. 100% may be forgiven if all PPP funds were used for, wait for it, payroll.
I didn't see that coming.
You didn't see that coming?
I didn't see that coming.
Wait
a minute. Paycheck protection program.
Payroll equals paychecks.
Yeah, if you've used the PPP loan for the qualified payroll, and not all payrolls may be qualified, by the way, then it's a possibility that 100% of your PPP loan could be forgiven.
If there is anything in this video that you found useful, helpful, educational, informative, entertaining, please hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can hear every single time that we post a video advancing with financing. Also, please hit that thumbs up and let us know you liked it. I'm Linda Ray.
I'm Trevor. We are
Aurora Consulting. Financing solutions for your business success story.
Payroll.
I was going to do the dramatic pause again.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay.
I could probably
run it from the top, because that was great how you were doing that.
Okay.